everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a station rotation board so that way your students know which activity they will be doing during blended learning and when. We are first going to start off with a fresh Google Slides. It already comes with a larger font title and a subtitle. I want to get rid of these, so I'm just going to go ahead and click in the slide and pull. That'll allow me to then go in and delete. Now that my Google Slide page is completely blank, I'm going to go ahead and create on that. So for blended learning, we typically have 3 stations. One will be online, one will be offline, and one will be a teacher-led station or small group station. So the online station is the component that makes it blended learning, having some type of technology incorporated in the activities that students are doing. From here, I'm going to go ahead and go to Insert up at the top and find Table. From Table, I'm going to create a grid that's going to show all of my activities. I typically will divide students into 3 groups since there will be 3 activities. I also want a top header row. So I'm going to have 4 bubbles, and one is going to say group, one's going to say station 1, one's going to say station 2, and the other is going to say station 3. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab 3 of those. So it ends up being a 4x4 grid. Now that that's created, I want to kind of place it in the middle. And I'm going to pull this down so that way they are a little bit larger. In the top left-hand corner, I'm going to say group, and I'll group my students, group A, group B, group C. And then across the top, we will have station 1, station 2, and station 3. I'm going to want to center those and make them larger. So I'm just going to click and drag across. Then up in my tools, I want to center horizontally and vertically. Next, I will bold. I'm going to change the font. I'll do impact, and then I'm going to make that larger. Same thing with my groups. I'm going to go ahead and center those both vertically and horizontally. I'm going to use the same font and make those larger as well. If you want to make your lines between each of these a little darker, you can highlight the entire table, then go up to the border weight, and now I'm going to choose 3. So that made that 3 times larger. Right now, my border is gray. I want to make that a little bit darker. So I'm going to, again, highlight everything. Right next to the border weight, you have border color. And I'm just going to change that to black. So there we go. We have our table. And in each of these different stations, I'm going to now put the activities. So we do have a teacher-led station. So I'm going to insert an image from the web that reminds students of teacher or small group. So for the sake of this, I will just put an apple, and I want it to be clip art. So I'm going to say apple clip art, and I'll insert that. Let me move myself. And that's going to let group A know that their first rotation is going to be with the teacher. From here, I'm just going to make a tic-tac-toe diagonal 3 in a row. I'm going to copy that apple. And then for station 2, group B will be with the teacher. And for station 3, group C will be with the teacher. So I just went ahead and put each of the times that the different groups will be working with the teacher. And so they know when they see that apple that that's when they're going to come over and work with me. My next station is going to be an online station. So to show that that's online, I'm just going to insert an image from the web, and I might want to do like a laptop or a computer clip art. And that will signify to the students that this is computer work. And that way, anytime you change the platform that you are using, you don't have to go in and change your station rotation board. Your students will know, oh, computer. So whether it's iReady or Edpuzzle or Flip, anything that you are going to be utilizing the computer for, just that image of the computer will let the students know that that's what they're doing. Okay, so for station 2 on group A, they will be doing that the second round. For group B, they will be doing the online station the third round. And so that means group C will be doing the online station the first round. Okay, our last station is going to be our offline station. I will insert an image from the web. And I'll put some type of a book or something that lets students know that this is not computer work. So I will just type in, let's see if this will come up. So I typed in book clip art. I'll put that. Group A will be doing the offline station during the third rotation. Group B will be doing the offline station during the first rotation. And group C will be doing the offline station during the second rotation. So there you have it. You have your station rotation board showing all of your blended learning activities, and it's very simple, so that way you can use it over and over, even when you change up your activities, even when you change up what you're doing with your students, when you're doing your teacher-led, or when you are doing your different platforms. From here, you just post this on your projector, on your smartboard, anything that you have in your class that shows this. You can also have it created like a poster printed, and you can hang that up. So that way when you're changing groups, so maybe group A isn't going to stay group A during the entire year, maybe you change quarterly or you change every 6 weeks. You can also have something that shows which students are in which group. Additionally, I would recommend adding a timer. So if you have 15-minute stations, you can go ahead and add a timer. A YouTube video that does a countdown is very helpful. So let's say 15-minute timer. You could do one with music or without music. So I will just grab this one. And I want to add that onto my station rotation board. I'm going to insert, and I'm going to put video. I copied the URL from the YouTube video. I'll paste that in there. It gives me a preview of what video, just to make sure that that's the one I want. I do, so I clicked on it and I will insert that. So from here, I have my station rotation board and my 15-minute timer. I hope that helped you, and I hope that you enjoy your journey of blended learning with station rotation. Thanks. Bye.